Oh, how
Whoa!
you have to go around.
No, it's not that deep. Gage, Gage, dead bird. Good boy! That's a good boy! Bring him over here, Gage. Yeah, bring him over here. Bring him over here. Shove it. Hey. Hey.
Good boy. Oh. Finally, thank you. Yeah, we folded them. How was that? I don't know why I just shot that second time. That duck was already folded.
Oh. Yeah, I shot at the high one first and fucking missed it. Oh.
To the right.
Yeah. I just looked at him and I saw that he was higher. I was like, fuck, I don't know if Jess is gonna go for that one, so I'm gonna try to shoot that one.
Yeah, I shot at that one. Because it was to the right.
Woo. Look at the curls on that guy.
Mm-hmm.
Dead duck. Damn. Damn it.
In the bushes.
Gage, pick it up. Pick it up. Gage. Gage, dead bird. Dead bird.
Dead bird. Dead bird.
Good boy. Good boy, Gage. Man, this motherfucker got fucked up. Yeah. Check these bad boys out. Two more drinks.
Oh, yeah.
Whoop. Got some crazy curls. Yeah. Good birds.